ladies and gents, I'm in the kitchen making some baked beans. I have my ground round. I'm using ground round, and it is 85% lean, 15% fat ground round. And I have about a pound of that, and I'm breaking it up in the pot here, getting ready to getting it all seared up so it can go in my baked beans. And then when they get all brown, I got some sausage in here that I'm gonna add to it. Then I'll take it out of the pot and I will saute my veggies. And I have red sweet pepper, green pepper, onion, green onion, and that's about it. And I'll sear that, and I'll put a little dry parsley in it to sear it. And when I'm done, and these are the seasonings that I put in my meat. A little bit of Greek seasoning, onion powder, just a little garlic powder. And so when I finish searing my meat all up and everything, I'm going to open my baked beans. I have three kinds of baked beans that I'm going to be using today. I had the vegetarian first, and then I bought a couple more cans of baked beans, the brown sugar and the original. And I have some brown sugar, light brown sugar, that I'm going to add a little bit in there. And I got some Worcestershire sauce. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Gonna add a little bit of that. And I have my pan, and when I get everything incorporated, all my beans and everything mixed up, and all my seasonings and meats and everything, I'm gonna use this Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce, and I will be putting it in the oven for about 45-50 minutes on about 375. But I'll come back and show you what we got going on in this kitchen. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, it's getting all seared up in this pot, and it's gonna get sauteed real good. And this is the meat, the ground round, and the sausage. And I'll be adding it to this once these are tender in this pot here. Once they all get real tender, then I'll add the meat back and come back with the camera's getting fogged up from the steam in the pot. Then I'll come back and add the beans. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I incorporated everything in this pot, and I poured it all in this pan here. And as you can see, here it is. Move it back so you can see it. And I'm getting ready to put it in the oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And let me let you see it here. See what it looks like. Here it is. I've incorporated everything in here. You can see it over here. And it looks good. So I didn't put any bacon, but I do have sausage chopped up and ground round. So it's going in the oven, and it's going to stay in about, here it is. It's going to stay in about, I'll say about 45 minutes or so, between 40 and 50 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you the end results. These are the baked beans. I've already given about half of them away, but here they are, and they are delicious. Here's my plate: baked beans and potato salad. Let me take a bite. Look at that, potato salad. Delicious. Something good, y'all. And look at this baked beans with all this sausage and ground meat. So good. Didn't want any meat. I got some steaks. Didn't want any meat. This is good. I'll eat the meat later. I'll talk to you.